Everyone, so here is the next question. Question number 132. Which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? Not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis. As you know that the ATP, NADPH and oxygen, ATP, NADPH and oxygen are the products of light reaction. These are the products of light reaction, while NADH is a product of respiration process. The product of respiration, REH dot for respiration process. Okay, so the correct option is the option number third. NADH is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis. It is a product of respiration process. So the correct option is option number 3, NADH. As here is given is the option number 4, but this is not correct, as the correct option is option number 3, NADH. Okay, thank you.